CHSN stock analysis. And this is for next week, which is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all this down. It is very brief, short, 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially with CHCN. It's a bearish market. Again, I'm not trying to be that guy, but it's just the truth, you know. Like this, beautiful. Here is a video that was made a couple of days ago, almost a week ago. Was made 6:18 a.m. right, Eastern time, and what happened there was phenomenal. The next day it just opened, the price, you know, it gave me what I wanted to see, and then it delivered lower, exactly how I wanted to do so. Now, this is obviously not financial advice, but bro, just the likelihood that this thing keeps melting is high. I mean, unless I see a full candle close above 12 cents, this is not bullish for me whatsoever. So stay tuned. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. I mean, this is where we are right now, right?